As the competition for designing bezelless display among the major smartphone manufacturers began when Xiaomi released their first almost bezelless phone, Xiaomi Mi Mix. After which a trend was set by Apple by introducing their first notch displayed phone, iPhone X, to achieve this bezelless look. Since then, there are different kind of approaches by different smartphone manufacturers to achieve this bezelless display. But now I hope there's going to be an end to this race for making varieties of fancy designs to achieve bezelless displays. Yes, recently Xiaomi and Oppo unveiled their new in-display selfie camera setup in their prototype of their upcoming smartphones, and this is how it works. Hey guys, this is Shashi from ElbaTec here, and let's see how in-display selfie camera works. Xiaomi claims that the camera is embedded in the top of the device as usual, but instead of putting a notch or a hole punch display, the camera is covered with a special low reflective glass with high transmittance. The setup allows the area of the display to become transparent to take pictures, and the transparent display then cleverly doubles as the camera lens on top. And Xiaomi also notes that the transparent display system allows for a larger sensor and better image quality than its existing teardrop notches. It doesn't appear to be a perfect system yet, as in Xiaomi's slides which was posted in Twitter, we can still see a faint outline of the camera lens underneath the active display, but it's at least a usable area of the screen instead of one that covers a corner of the screen, which kind of feels weird in normal day-to-day usage. So that's it for now guys, thanks for watching, hope you guys found this video informative, and I'll be updating about this in-display selfie cameras regularly, so make sure to subscribe to ElbaTec and enable the notification bell button. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also just make sure to leave a comment about your thoughts regarding this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.